10 towns in the UK you will regret moving to. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a topic that's sure to get people talking. The 10 towns in the UK you will regret moving to. Now, before you start rolling your eyes, let's clarify that this isn't about bashing these towns. Rather, it's an exploration of some places that have gained a reputation for being less than ideal to live in. Our goal here is to shed light on what makes these towns less desirable, while also highlighting the unique aspects that might surprise you. So grab a comfy seat and let's jump right in. 10. Gravesend, England. A town in Kent that has a unique mix of history and modernity. While Gravesend has its share of historical significance, it often finds itself on the list of 10 towns in the UK you will regret moving to due to concerns about crime rates and limited job opportunities. Many residents express dissatisfaction with the local amenities and entertainment options, which can lead to feelings of boredom. However, Gravesend is also home to beautiful riverside views and a rich history, making it an appealing destination for those who appreciate culture and nature. The community spirit in Gravesend is strong, with various local events and activities that bring residents together. 9. East Kilbride, Scotland. While it offers a variety of amenities and a strong community spirit, East Kilbride often appears on lists of towns people might regret moving to due to traffic congestion and a lack of nightlife. The town is well equipped with shopping centres, schools and parks, making it a convenient place to live. However, some residents find the lack of vibrant entertainment options a drawback. Despite these concerns, East Kilbride is home to a welcoming community that actively engages in local events and activities. The surrounding countryside provides beautiful landscapes and opportunities for outdoor exploration. 8. Paisley, Scotland. Next, we explore Paisley, a town in Scotland known for its textile heritage and cultural significance. Despite its historical importance, Paisley has faced economic challenges that have led to perceptions of it being a less desirable place to live. Many residents express concerns about crime rates and the availability of jobs, which can create a sense of unease. However, Paisley is actively working to address these issues through community initiatives and revitalisation efforts. The local government is focused on improving safety and encouraging economic growth. Paisley boasts a rich cultural scene, with various events celebrating its heritage throughout the year. The beautiful parks and green spaces offer residents opportunities for relaxation and connection with nature. 7. Murtha, Tidville, Wales. Despite its rich history and stunning landscapes, Murtha Tidville often finds itself on lists of towns people might regret moving to due to economic struggles and limited job opportunities. The town has faced challenges related to its economic decline, leading many residents to feel frustrated with their prospects. However, Murtha Tidville is working hard to revitalise its economy and improve the quality of life for its residents. Local initiatives focused on community engagement and development are gaining traction. Murtha Tidville also offers stunning natural beauty, with the Brecon Beacons National Park right on its doorstep. The sense of community is strong, with local events and activities that promote engagement and celebration. 6. Dudley, England. Next on our journey is Dudley, a town in the West Midlands that has seen significant changes over the years. Many residents have expressed concerns about safety and the perception of Dudley as a less desirable place to live. However, it's important to recognise that the local government is actively working to improve safety and revitalisation efforts are underway. Dudley is also known for its community spirit, with various events and groups working to bring residents together. The town's historical sites and parks offer plenty of opportunities for leisure and exploration. While it may face challenges, Dudley is a place undergoing transformation, and there's a sense of optimism for the future. 5. Balamina, Northern Ireland. While Balamina has its charms, it often appears on lists of towns people might regret moving to due to its economic struggles and high unemployment rates. The town's economic situation has led to a decline in local businesses, which can create a sense of stagnation. Many newcomers find themselves disappointed by the limited job opportunities and the perceived lack of vibrancy in the community. However, Balamina is steeped in history and offers beautiful landscapes, making it an appealing destination for those who appreciate nature and culture. 4. Cumberald Scotland. One of the main issues residents face is the perception of Cumberald as a dull and uninspiring place to live. Despite its historical significance and efforts to revitalise the town, many newcomers have found the lack of amenities and entertainment options disheartening. The town has faced economic challenges over the years, leading to feelings of disillusionment among its residents. However, Cumberald is not without its strengths. The town boasts a rich history, with numerous historical sites and beautiful parks that provide residents with opportunities to connect with nature. The community is active, with various local groups and initiatives aimed at improving the quality of life. While it may face challenges, Cumberald has a unique character that can be appreciated by those who take the time to explore it. 3. Henley-on-Thames, England. Moving on, we arrive at Henley-on-Thames, a picturesque town known for its rowing heritage and stunning river views. The town is charming, with quaint shops and delightful cafes lining its streets, but many residents find that the price of living here is simply not worth it. The housing market is notably expensive, making it difficult for newcomers to find affordable accommodations. This financial strain can lead to dissatisfaction, particularly for those who expect a more vibrant urban lifestyle. Despite these challenges, Henley-on-Thames offers a unique lifestyle. The local community is active, hosting events like the Henley Royal Regatta, which draws visitors from all over the world. 2. Langfne Wales. Next, we venture to Langfne, a small town on the Isle of Anglesey in Wales. Known for its stunning natural surroundings and tranquil atmosphere, Langfne has a charm that attracts some, but it also finds itself on the list of 10 towns in the UK you will regret moving to for various reasons. One of the primary concerns for residents is the limited job opportunities in Langfne. While the town is beautiful, the local economy has struggled to grow, leading many newcomers to feel frustrated with their employment prospects. Additionally, the lack of amenities and entertainment options can make the town feel isolated for those used to a more bustling lifestyle. That said, Langfne is a haven for nature lovers. With beautiful parks, scenic walks, and a strong sense of community, it offers a peaceful lifestyle that can be appealing. It's a place where you can truly connect with nature and enjoy the slower pace of life. For those who value tranquility over excitement, Langfne can be a hidden gem, despite its drawbacks. 1. Reing England. First up on our list is Reing, a town that has a lot going for it, but has also faced its share of criticism. Located in Berkshire, Reing is known for its vibrant cultural scene, excellent shopping options, and proximity to London. However, despite these advantages, many residents have expressed concerns about the cost of living, traffic congestion, and the sometimes bland urban environment. While Reing boasts impressive amenities such as the Oracle Shopping Centre and the annual Reing Festival, it also struggles with high housing prices and a competitive rental market. Many newcomers find themselves feeling the pinch financially, which can lead to a sense of regret about their move. Additionally, the town's reputation for being somewhat dull compared to its flashier neighbours can leave some residents yearning for more excitement. However, it's worth noting that Reing has a strong community spirit and is home to a diverse population. The town is filled with parks and green spaces, making it a pleasant place to unwind on the weekends. The local art scene is thriving, offering various events and activities throughout the year. Our exploration of the 10 towns in the UK you will regret moving to reveals a complex tapestry of challenges and opportunities. Each town has its unique stories, strengths and weaknesses, making them interesting places to consider. While these towns may have their drawbacks, they also possess qualities that can be appreciated by the right individuals. Community spirit, rich history, and beautiful surroundings can often outweigh the negatives, making these places worth exploring. Do you think these towns deserve a second chance, considering the efforts being made to improve them? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.